I started putting on more weight with each pregnancy and not losing it. And after the third pregnancy, that was it. I was over 200 pounds and I really didn't do much. I stayed in the house a lot. I was very embarrassed and I didn't have much activity with the kids. Once I decided to do something about my weight, I felt good and I started to go out more and be very active and have a lot of fun with the kids. I was looking into the gastric bypass. That's all that was available, and this had just been approved for use in Canada, and they needed 5 patients to bring it into Canada and do it, and I was number 5. Life is great. Life is good. I've lost about 95 pounds and I've kept it off for over 7 years now. It gave me back my life. It was the best thing I did.